Hi, I'm Joe Gentile. I'm a partner in Sarraf Gentile LLP, and today's video is about a question that comes up a lot with 751 removal of condition petitions. So the question is, when is it appropriate to use affidavits of support, to have somebody write a letter for you to describe the relationship, and if you do it, what should they include? So the answer is that it's always good to include these. I don't think there's any cases where it would hurt. There are some cases where it's more useful than others. For instance, if you have not perfect evidence, let's say, that the marriage was bona fide, that it was real. Let's say that you have an abuse situation, or there's a divorce and the divorce happens fairly early in the relationship and you're missing some documents you'd prefer to have, then the affidavits of support become a little more important because it fills in some gaps that you have in the relationships. The affidavits are never going to be better than documentary evidence of a relationship, but they're helpful, and it can be useful to fill in gaps. So if you decide to use it, who should you have do it? You should have people that know you pretty well. Family, friends, maybe a landlord, somebody that's observed you for the course of the relationship. If they're going to write the letter, there's a few things that have to be there. Their name, obviously, their address, where they were born, their date of birth, and they're going to have to sign it. Those are the basics that have to be there. What should be in the body of the letter is just a description of how they know the couple, how long they know the couple, how frequently they interact with the couple, what are the things that they observed that lead them to believe that the marriage was real. Also, if you're using them in an abuse situation, you could also use an affidavit to show evidence of abuse. If somebody has been a witness to abuse in the relationship, or you've been confiding in somebody about abuse in the relationship through the course of the abuse, a letter is also appropriate there. So to recap, these letters are never 100% necessary. I think they're always helpful, and they're even more helpful in situations where either you have some gap in the documentary evidence, or you have kind of, let's say, a heightened standard that you have to meet if there's a divorce or an abuse situation. Any questions? Feel free to reach out to me. Thanks for watching the video.